Hi, good evening friends. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So here in this video, I am going to give you 8 important ETL testing tips. Okay, so how to become a great ETL testing engineer. So if you watch this video, it will be more helpful for you people to while doing the job. Okay, so this is a good concept video. Kindly watch complete video so you will understand the things properly. Okay. So before starting video, if you are not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master. So let's get started. So here is the thing. So becoming a great ETL tester, 8 ETL best practices. Okay, so emphasize analysis of data. First point. Okay, it's extremely important to understand source data and what happens to it during ETL process. A clear understanding of ETL mappings and transformations, as well as fully analysis of state of source data, can solve many ETL problems early on. Okay, so this you have to follow the things, but in the sense you have to understand the mappings and transformations, whatever the applied in already in ETL flow. Okay, from source to target. So second one is clean bad data in the source system. As much as possible, don't let data quality issues enter the ETL pipeline. So the bad data should not enter the ETL pipeline. So diagnose them and work with data custodians to clean the data at its source. So third point is create multiple tests for data validation. Take nothing for granted. At every stage of data pipeline, create tests that validate the data that goes in, okay, and ensure that the data goes out underwent the correct transformations. Creating a system of checkpoints at which data stops for testing allows you to quickly diagnose and solve the problems. And fourth one is here, the fourth tip is find a great ETL tool that supports your data sources. So this is also very important, finding the proper ETL tool, okay, which supports our data. The primary value of ETL tools for testing is that they can automatically generate the SQL script that tests your transformations, which is a huge time saver. However, each data source has its peculiarities, and some transformations are non-standard or unusually complex. Find a powerful ETL system that supports your data sources and you test them against sample data to see if it can generate the required transformations effectively. So the next pointer is tip is like don't forget to monitor ETL jobs. So just because ETL jobs are running doesn't mean that they are running correctly. A small change like a change of data syntax, a new set of values or an additional column can cause ETL badges to break. So catching these problems early, solving them and resuming data flow is critical to maintain confidence of stakeholders in the ETL process. So you must have to monitor ETL jobs regularly. So sixth tip is load incrementally to deal with scale. When dealing with huge volumes of historical data in Datawarehouse, the only way to cope and ensure responsible or reasonable ETL performance is incremental load. Work with the designers of the ETL process to ensure that the new data is loaded incrementally to make all stages of ETL testing and execution easier to run and troubleshoot. And seventh tip is ETL tests are code. Invest in error handling, logging, and altering. An ETL test is not something you create and throw away. ETL test cases are important code base that is used repeatedly by your organization. Treat your test cases with respect. Implement error handling for unexpected conditions. Log everything and create informative alerts and notifications. Final one is like performance is everything. So especially in large ETL deployments, everything is rises and falls on performance. An ETL job that takes too long to run disrupts data flows, delays updates, upsets decision makers, and also make difficult to run tests on realistic volume of data. Monitor performance and understand where the bottlenecks are, optimize your scripts and upgrade the system whenever necessary. So these are the 8 important tips. If you adopt these 8 important tips in your career of ETL testing, that will be more beneficial for you people. So to run the ETL jobs. Okay, so these are the basic and important tips. So this is only the thing what I want to share with you in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.